Okay, let's start the session. Today we will talk about the NLP. So everyone, I think, heard about this. What we have, uh, just okay. So NLP. NLP is what? Natural language processing. Okay. So what actually we do in NLP is we use the text. Okay. Okay. So what we do, we learn from the text. Okay. For example, like if we talk, I'm talking about the simply for NLP. So it's like we are giving our computer the ability to not just hear our words, but truly understand the meaning behind it. Okay. So okay, okay. We learned from text. Okay. In simply, what it do, understand meaning behind it. It means the text. Okay. If I define NLP in a simple words definition, okay. So it is the art of teaching computers to comprehend and interact with us or human language. Okay. So what here we are trying to do here is we are breaking down the barriers between us and our machines. We are just trying to making the communication easy. It's more seamless and natural. Okay. Okay. So if I take an example, like we are living in the world, right? In this world where our computer does not just follow commands but actually engage in the conversation with us. Okay, so NLP is the magic that brings us the voice assistance, language translation, and in future those helpful, even the chatbot is already there, so those helpful in chatbots online. Okay, so when we talk about like the peek behind the curtain, okay, so NLP involves some cool techniques. Okay, so it involves some cool techniques. Okay, then what it's doing, slicing up the sentences. Okay, then what else? Is figuring out the job of each word. Okay, then it's putting the important word or phrases. Okay, basically what here this doing is teaching. Here we are just teaching computers the ABC of our language. Okay, here what we are doing, teaching computers, okay, the ABC of our language, the ABCs of our language. Okay, if we talk about this application, we are using every day. Okay, so one is my Siri. Okay, then we have Alexa also. Okay, then we have a Google for direction. if you notice, when you're using a map, they are giving us the navigation. Take a left, take a right, slow down, there is a barrier. Okay, so that's all is the NLP work. Okay, it's making our device not just smart but friendly conversation partners. Okay, so it's everywhere, making tech a bit more like a helpful friend. Okay, so what are the challenges in this? Challenge is this: when we are teaching the computers to understand, it's not like we are walking in the park. Okay, first of all, so words can have multiple meaning. If I take a simple example, I have one word is happy and the another word in the line is not happy. So words are same, but when putting the not with the happy, so the meaning is different, right? So words can have multiple meaning. Words can have multiple meanings. Okay, and people are express themselves in unique way. All are using different words to express them. Okay, and maybe there is a cultural flair. Culture flair. This is also to be considered. Okay, so here if we so these are the challenges in NLP. NLP experts are like language wizards solving these puzzles. These are the puzzles, right? So if you're talking about the future outlook of NLP, so what do you think? What NLP do? So the future of NLP is like imagine computers that grasp context, understand the emotions, and respond in the way that the feel what you truly feel. Okay, so like if you're sad, though they are talking you as a friend in the sad way. Okay, if you are like happy, so the machine is talking to you in that way. Okay, so we are looking at a future where tech becomes an even more intuitive extension of ourselves. Okay, so this is more about the idea of NLP. Okay, so NLP is basically, here we use the text from the words, from the sentences, from the phrases. We are learning the meaning from this. Okay, we are trying to create a new information from the text. Okay, so we will talk about next topic in the next session. Okay, so this is all about the introduction. Thank you.